Have you ever had a dream? Because I've had several of these. I had one yesterday. I was fishing in a house, like inside a house, around the furniture. And a lot of times it's catfish. I don't know what the hell it is.
Gatorades, first tournament of the year, boat's ready, got the fuel filter changed and took it down to the water, and when I had it out in the water, the fuel line fell off. It goes to show you need to test it before you get out on the lake, so I just left it on the trailer, fixed it, we're all good. Now, off to the lake. Morning. There's way too many fancy boats nowadays.
Yes, there are.
Who are you fishing with today?
Bob.
Oh, sorry. I'm just kidding. So what's happening there, gents?
Not a darn thing.
Much. Everybody's here so early. What's the deal?
I don't know. How we get in no problem.
That's what I thought. I thought I'd come here to be here alone.
All right.
Here he is. Will Wegman. He's the guy on all the signs that you see everywhere at all the lakes. Throw your fish back. Conservation.
I opened the compartment a couple weeks ago and there was a raccoon in there. There's just no power, and I tried a different head. I checked all my fuses.
That's what I would be looking for right now, is looking for any fuses.
Yeah.
I think I got room to dump in.
One hand?
If you can.
Those ones. Yeah.
And we'll go.
I don't see anybody around, so which is a good thing.
We'll go fairly quick too.
Inside that boathouse, there'll be one. By Nano, it's great. Casts a mile. Then another guy tells me, he says, "Oh yeah, when you get a little chip on it, it breaks." Everybody's got a store.
There's a fish. Good one too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good one. Good one. Good one. Net in here?
It is. Oh, he's not huge.
Oh, he's a nice fish.
That's not a bad fish at all.
Good job.
Thank you. I think that's the same as that one. Felt about the same.
Good stuff.
That's one.
Here's another.
This is the type. This is about the size that we were catching up here before.
Yeah.
Like
That's a
this.
good fish for sure. We're going for sloppy thirds. What's that? Yeah. Oh, there you go. You okay?
Let's see.
Might be.
That's probably 11 inches. 11.5.
Quarter of an inch. Could be a pike though.
And it's not. It's a good bass. It's a beautiful bass. Oh, good job. Good job.
Nice.
Thank you, buddy. You're welcome.
I got a big one. That might be a pike. Good. Fighting like a bass.
Good.
No, it's a pike.
Huh?
I think it's
No, I think it's
not bad. Not that big, but it's good. I was pulling it through the weeds. Well, there you go. You found a good spot, Cam. It's all yours,
You
buddy.
found it. Now he's got to start sinking it like you. So, I'm just going to say, luck would have it, your boat grows off, and I happen to catch a good one.
Gentlemen.
Here we go, boys.
G'day, sirs.
Slay 'em.
No slang. No slang.
Lost a real nice one at the end of the day, but just two. Jeez.
5 even.
Cam, you want to take a picture?
Hold on.
Don't I know it?
He was 5 even, right?
Oh, so that was a tough go. 5 pounds. Lost one at the end. Camera wasn't running, but it doesn't matter. I lost it anyway. Sounds like there were some good fish that got weighed in. Not from us. Andy, he weighed 585. It's a little bit more than me. First tournament of the year. Get this boat out of the water and get home. Oliver. So what was
Hey,
his feel?
You know what? It was tough for everybody today,
Mhm.
and I got lucky. I got on a little patch. I caught 7 fish.
That was it.
That was it. And look at my boat. It's muddy. I went way in shallow. Caught some in reeds. Caught one in the middle of nowhere, and then caught like 4 or 5 on one little set of docks that
Oh,
I
yeah.
guess nobody fished in the weekend. So
Good. Yeah, we went and fished some docks first thing. Got a couple. That was it.
yeah,
There was a guy on the shore that said, yeah, he goes, yeah, on the weekend there's like 15 boats in here, he said.
yeah. So,
What were you using then?
I got my biggest fish on a jig.
Yeah.
And second biggest on a Senko, and probably third biggest on a jig, and then probably the other 2 in the Senko.
Huh. There you go.
Yeah.
Sinkos
The
again.
usual, yeah. Senko's early season.
Yeah.
See you, Stan.
Very good. Congratulations.
All right, thanks, Ken. Appreciate
See
it.
you. Go enjoy your meal.